From the archives of the ancient record, Sirach 1:18, to fear the Lord is the crown of wisdom, making peace and perfect health to flourish. What did this mean then? In the ancient context, the fear of the Lord was not a paralyzing terror. It was a profound, reverent recognition of the Creator's absolute sovereignty. To call it the crown of wisdom meant that one could possess all the knowledge in the world, but without this foundational reverence, that knowledge remained incomplete, unadorned, and lacking its true glory. It was the prerequisite for a life that could sustain true peace and well-being. What does this mean now? In our current era of constant noise and fragmented information, wisdom has been replaced by opinion, and peace has been replaced by anxiety. We are obsessed with control, yet we feel increasingly unstable. This verse serves as a diagnostic tool. It tells us that our lack of peace and health is a symptom of a misplaced foundation. When we try to be the architects of our own reality without aligning ourselves to the ultimate authority, we lose the crown, the perspective that allows us to see life clearly. How do we apply this to our daily lives? Begin by auditing your alignment. Every morning, before you engage with the noise of the digital world, take a moment of silent reverence to acknowledge the hierarchy of authority in your life. When you face a conflict or a health struggle, move away from the instinct to panic and move toward the posture of alignment. Ask, am I trying to solve this through my own limited understanding, or am I anchoring my response in the fear of the Lord? Choose the posture of the crown. Secure your foundation. Flourish in the truth. We are currently tuned to the 432 Hz frequency. This frequency was chosen for this decree because it is known as the heartbeat of the earth, promoting deep inner peace and helping to stabilize the nervous system, perfectly mirroring the flourish of peace and health promised in the verse. The algorithm hides these gaps, but we are here to bridge them. The mainstream narrative is a managed container, but truth is found by returning to the original Ethiopian canon, unfiltered by conquest. If this resonates, like, share, and comment. That's how we break the noise. For the full audit, check the pinned comment for the Sion Frequency Hub. There you'll find the historical texts, my frequency research, and our Stewards Marketplace for community-curated, natural products. Join us, support the work, and let's grow this community. Stay in truth, and pray for wisdom and discernment.